All right.
Hey, I'm Bjorn Olsen from YourOFEmpire.com, owner of the OnlyFans Empire, an OnlyFans management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world, completely remotely. No office, hence the different hotel rooms and all my different videos. Check us out at YourOFEmpire.com or at YourOFEmpire on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get back to the video.
Hey, so I've been getting asked how to grow an Instagram account and whether you can just purchase followers for it. Well, yes, you can purchase followers for it. That's no big deal. That's easy to do. But I only recommended to purchase followers if it's for an agency account or an Instagram account that you're using to cold outreach, to find models, to pitch, because these accounts are not reliant on engagement. So if you do any shifty business on them, then it doesn't really matter if your engagement gets jeopardized or not. If Instagram punishes your reach, the amount of people that see your content, doesn't matter because you're doing the cold outreaching. Now, if it's for a model or if it's for an account that you're using to funnel simps to an OnlyFans account, you're reliant on the engagement, you're reliant on the reach. Therefore, you don't want to do anything shifty to jeopardize this. Therefore, you want to do it the hard way, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So, to grow an Instagram account the hard way, or the usual way, there are a couple of methods I use. One is the follow unfollow method. That is, you pretty much find a whole bunch of accounts relating to your audience that you're targeting, or your audience. You're going to follow a whole bunch. With a bit of luck, they'll see your account and they'll follow you back. And then to balance it out, you'll start unfollowing accounts from a couple of days ago to balance those numbers out, because you don't want the number of accounts you are following to be massive. Otherwise, it looks spammy. The first time you go to an Instagram account, if the number of accounts that it is following outweighs the number of accounts that are following it, they're spamming because they're just spamming them. The other method is Gary V's $1.80 strategy. It's been a minute since I've done this, so I'm just going to read it off here. It is something to do with finding. I'll know how to do it when I start, but this is actually an ad I put out because I used to get a VA to do this. So the $1.80 strategy is something like this. It is find a hashtag related to your niche. Then you're going to click on the top 9 posts, the top 9 people or the top 9 posts under that hashtag. And under each post, you're going to comment your 2 cents. Then you do that 9 more times. So you're going to find the top 10 hashtags relevant to your niche. And on the top 10 hashtags relevant to your niche, for each one, you're going to comment your 2 cents on those top 9 posts underneath each hashtag. Hope that makes sense. Otherwise, I'll go through it in a bit more detail. So I'm just going to show you a bit of an example here. So yeah, so that's the follow unfollow method. Follow unfollow, pretty simple as I explained. Now, regarding how many accounts you can have logged into one browser, how the proxy setup goes, whatever. As far as I know, you can have about 5 Instagram accounts logged in per one browser, per one IP. You might be able to have 1 or 2 more, I'm not sure, but I know it's about 5. So to show an example, I've logged into 3 or 4 of them here. We'll have a look. Switch. Okay, so you can see I've got 3 logged in here. One is for a new model we took on. So we're just in the process of finding some findom guys. Instagram is a great way to do that. One is an account we used to use back in the day. I used to use to give credibility to the agency. See this? So I used to actually use this to promote the girls as well. So I used to promote them on this, um, making it look like it was from a female, give more credibility. And then now we don't really use it. So when you're not using it, you might as well bloody give some social proof to your agency, eh? Pretty nifty. Yeah, yeah. So then you could also pitch using this account, but that's like an advanced kind of, don't worry about it if you're just beginning. But yeah, if you want to be a little more sneaky, you can go cold outreaching girls, pretend to be a girl. I haven't done that, but it could probably work. But I'm guessing sooner or later you probably get caught out and then all your trust is gone. So don't do that. Anyway, that's a side tangent. So I'm going to show you the quick follow unfollow method. As usual, oh, I'm surprised I'm not already logged in on there. As usual, all materials found in this video are going to be uploaded to Empire. This will be in the Instagram section. All right, so the follow unfollow method is as follows. You're going to do it with about 100 accounts. and then you'll stop, and then 4 hours, 5 hours later, you do it again, and you do it again another 5 hours later. So you're following about 300 accounts a day. Any more than that, any more than 100 accounts in one sitting, you're going to start noticing some constraints. Depending how old the account is, the account could get banned. You could just get stopped from following for a certain amount of time. So to be safe, follow 100. So here we go. So this is what, first I'll read off what we do, all right? So the basic unfollow method framework is you find as many accounts as you can correlating to your niche. You locate the guys simps that are engaging with those accounts. Then you're going to tap follow on each of them. This will send a notification to each account holder. Like, oh, he'll see the account, see the notification, go, wow, she's a hottie. Chances are they'll take a look, and then they might follow you back because they love your content, they love you, or they feel it's the polite thing to do. Then you let a few days pass by. Then you start unfollowing these accounts, whether they followed you back or not, for the reason I mentioned earlier. So first thing you're gonna do is log into an Instagram account. Now just start off doing this for one account. Then once you get a few going, or if you're getting into the mother-slave method, which is a totally method in itself, this could also apply to that. You might have 5 accounts going at once. I'd recommend just getting a VA to do it personally. But anyway, we'll just start off with one account. So you're gonna log in, you're gonna search for a hashtag, right? So say there is no niche, say it's just anything. So you're gonna search for, oh yeah, this was a demo I did earlier, and then I thought that recording was shit, I stuffed up. So I figured we'll just start another recording. So for this one, we'll just go like OnlyFans girls. Just there's no niche. We're just pretending this girl is just a normal, typical, everyday looking baddie. Now we're going to go the OnlyFans niche, all right? So now what you're going to do, starting from the top, you're going to click on the post. There is no comments. Or, oh no, that's German. Is that the German? That does not look like German, it looks close. Oh, here we go. So starting from the top, you're going to go across. Now for each of these simps, look, he's got some love hearts there, but he's verified, so, oh, he might not be a simp. Okay, he's got 255, looks like a model. Don't follow him. He's not a simp. It's probably his job. Where's mine, baby girl? Simp. If I knew how to do all the animations and shit on the video, maybe later on I would have put like a big siren here. That'd be pretty cool. But I'm not that fucking, like, I don't know how to do all that shit yet. But anyway, just imagine there's a little siren going like simp. So now what you do, hover over, bam, follow. Then he hasn't followed anyone. Oh no, no one's followed him. Oh, he's got his first follow. He's definitely going to follow. There we go. Simp alert. Bam. Follow. So that's 2. Perfection. Simp alert. Follow. Girl. Simp alert. Follow. Simp alert. Simp alert. Different language. Oh well. Follow. Simp girl. Nah. Friend girl. Beautiful vibes. Kind of simp alert. Yep. What? Simp alert. Bam. Follow. Dicker. What? I don't know. Like, oh well, simple alert, boom, follow. Yeah, see what I mean? Then you go to the next one. Boom, simple alert. Actually, you know what? That's right. I started doing the advanced technique. This is the advanced technique. Ready? You like, then you follow. Almost guaranteed to get a follow back because they'll see double notification. They'll see, bam, she liked my comments and she followed. All right. That's right. It's been a minute since I've done this. It's starting to kick in now. Starting to remember. There you go. So you go bam, simp, boom, follow, go down. A lot of love hearts. Simp, boom, simp alert, bam, follow. Scroll down. Mama's what? Not sure. Rusty, boom, simp, I think. Bam, follow. Yeah? Now you're going to do this until you've followed about 100 accounts. Now, once you've followed 100 accounts, you will give it a few hours. You do it again later. Give it a few hours. Do it 3 times a day. I recommend doing it 3 times a day. Now, once you've followed a few hundred, don't do it at the start. Here we go. Put it here. After doing this for at least 3 days, you'll now start unfollowing the same number of accounts. The reason being is if you start unfollowing straight away, what's going to happen is you're going to be unfollowing the exact same accounts that you literally just followed. So they're not going to get time to see the notification. They're not going to get time to froth, and they're not going to get time to go follow your account back. So wait till you've been doing it a few days. So then once pretend we're doing it for a few days, right? Then you'll get a following. I think on mobile, it must be just mobile. There's a way to filter, so you can filter from like earliest. And then what you do, you'll start from the earliest ones followed, and then you'll start unfollowing. You go bam, boom, boom, bam, unfollow, bam, unfollow, bam, unfollow. The same number of times, which is about 100. And that's it. That's one session. So then you give it a few hours, as I said, then you do it again. Give it a few hours, do it again. So you've done about 3 times a day. Now, if you do this, the accounts will grow right quick. Then we can get into what to do in the DMs and that. I haven't used this account in a minute. So there's a lot of, yeah, there's a lot. 17 now. Oh my, they're still, I haven't even been active on this and they're still sending stuff. Oh, what a, oh oh my God, what a, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I probably sent this to him bloody year ago. I was going to say, I speak more on the link in bio, but the only link in bio is your Empire. Normally what you do is you can either just keep posting like risque hot content to that profile, ignore the DMs, and just have your funnel in the bio. So you would have like, I don't know, a little something about me. Hi, I'm Mandy. I'm not on here much. Message me on my spicy link below. That's a typical, that's like kind of like so 2020, but it could still work. And then you could just post good content, ignore the DMs, and then wait for them to follow through themselves. Or you can respond to the DMs. This is why I say you want a VA to do this. It gets pretty time consuming. And you'll say, hey, baby. Fuck it, we'll say it to him anyway, even though, hey, baby, I'm not on here much. Message me on my link in bio. KK XX. Um, we're just gonna sign up for this video. I hope he doesn't report because it's. I don't know. I'd hate to. Nah, we won't send it. We won't send it. You would normally say that, and then you have the link in the profile bio. All right. So that's the follow unfollow method. Now, here is the lady strategy. I haven't really written about section. It's more just an ad that I use, but we can still go by that. All right. I haven't done this in a minute. So you'll do a similar thing. You'll go relevant niche. Actually, $1.80 strategy. I don't know if that applies because you're just finding simps. Might be just worth doing the follow unfollow. Oh no, yep, I've got it. Yeah, I've got it. I've got it. So now what you'll do, $1.80 strategy, right? Is you will comment your 2 cents on the top 9 posts on 10 different hashtags, right? So here's hashtag number 1. Starting from there was nothing there. So we're going to go to number 2. Now here's our 2 cents, all right? Because remember, this is a girl's account. Oh my God, you look amazing. I'm just making this up on the spot. 2 cents. The method is, well, when as far as I know, Gary Vee coined it. It was for more productive Instagram accounts. It was for like if you were growing an agency account, for example. So you would be wanting to network with other similar accounts. For this, I've tailored it to work for simps. So the 2 cents that you were commenting is something just like, oh my God, you look amazing. Anyone looking for a good time? Feel free to hit me up. So simps will see that and they'll go, oh my giddy aunt. And then they'll click follow. All right. So that's one way to do it. But I'd recommend just starting off with the follow unfollow method. And that's it. Oh, look, if you want to know how to set up multiple accounts, just start with this, start with one, start creating a few, because remember you can have about 5, maybe 6 per browser. So just do it on your normal browser. And then when you want to level up your game, you want to start scaling, then get the anti-detect involved, and then you can have 6 per browser, and then you can start working with multiple. But that's for a whole nother video. That's for another day. So this is the basic how to grow a model's account. Now, just to recap, do not purchase followers. And one more caution, do not perform this on an account that is less than 2 weeks old, or else the account will get flagged as spam and banned. Now you can purchase aged accounts, or you can just create a bunch, let them sit for a couple of weeks, and then start growing. All right. So those are the two cautions. The one, what was the first caution? The caution one, can't remember the first caution. Anyway, we'll go with the second caution. Just don't do it on an account that is less than 2 weeks old. All right. So that's it. Now, as usual, as I said at the beginning, all materials featured in this, which is this and an ad. I'll actually make a how-to as well, but I'll post this in the virtual assistant section in case you want to go hiring a VA to do it. I'll put this in there. We'll upload it to the Empire forums. So that's it. If you like the content, go smash like button, smash subscribe button, go see us in the Empire forums. I cannot convey just how fucking good it is. All right. So with a bit of luck, I'll see you in there. Oh, by the way, just about to introduce a chat room and private messaging function because we're about to hit 200 members. Price of the premium subscription, which enables you to see the extra saucy stuff like dating apps and stuff like that. That price will be going up soon, so I'd recommend you go sign up now and lock in your price. Otherwise, it is free to access if you want to be a tight ass and just actually and get a free contract, get a free service agreement, some other stuff for free. But yeah, if you want to go premium, I recommend you do it soon because we're nearing 200 members and price will be increasing soon. So with a bit of luck, I'll see you on there. So that's it.